Just acquired this BMW 520D M Sport estate with the M Sport extended package on it. It's absolutely beautiful condition, finished in the grey. It's got sun protection glass. It's got park distance control and it does have a reverse camera. It's got the full M Sport body styling kit. It has literally just arrived, not been valeted yet. It's got the electric tailgate. Boot area is in absolutely superb condition. Full leather with exclusive white stitched piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. Again, the sports seats. The automatic headlights. Cruise control. It's done 79,995 miles. It's got satellite navigation. Full media pack. Bluetooth connectivity, reverse camera. On the iDrive system we have the full service history, vehicle information, vehicle status. As you can see, service history is there. You have different driving weight styles: Sport, Eco Pro, Comfort. Heated seats, climate control air conditioning. It is in beautiful condition, fully loaded, 520 diesel M Sport estate, very rare to come by. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.